make sure you are clicking on the 2025 or your current year tax return button, then tap on Personal Info option just below it. On the Marital Status section, tap on Edit option besides it. Over here, you may choose on which relationship are more suitable for you and your spouse. This is what it means on every choices of marital or filing status. Feel free to pause the video. And this is what common law partner means. Usually, to add your spouse, you may choose between married or living common law options. For example, I'm going to choose on married option, then scrolling down, and answer some question regarding our relationship, then hit the continue button. And there you go, the marital status of mine are already changing. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.